Hi, my name is Brian with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. We have a Kenmore refrigerator, and the complaint is that it's not making ice, or it's making a little bit of ice but not enough ice. I've been out already on this, and we've already replaced the saddle valve on it to get us proper water flow to the ice maker. So and we just checked it. Our ice maker is completely filled with water, and we're going to run it through a test here and make sure that the ice maker is functioning properly and produce it and dispensing our ice cubes for us. Alright, on this ice maker, to cycle it through a test cycle, what we have to do is remove our cover, and we can just grab on and pull out. You can use a flathead screwdriver to help you pry off the cover in between here and the face of the ice maker. This one, what I do to cycle it through a test is we're going to carefully grab the arms of the ice maker and slowly pull them towards us. They don't recommend to do that in case you break the arms off or damage the ice maker, but so you pull on the arms very gently, and once the lever here starts to raise, you can let go and it should start moving on its own. It's kind of jump starting the ice maker, and if it doesn't, you can pull on the arms some more, a little further, not much. You want to be very careful and gentle when you do that so you don't break them. So ours has already gone through a test now. That's how I started it. It's ran through its test, and because our cubes weren't frozen completely yet, it was just kind of water in there still. The arms just went through the water and came back out, and it filled again, and the water that's dripping now is just from it overfilling because it already had a batch of water in there. But the ice maker does seem to be working properly. What we're going to do is take some temperatures and see what our temperatures are like inside our freezer. So with our digital meter, what we found as far as temperatures were that the temperatures were higher than normal. In a freezer, it should be about 0 to 5 degrees, and we were getting about 20 degrees, give or take, in the freezer. What we found also is the ambient temperature is about 90 degrees. So the temperature around the refrigerator right now is about 90 degrees. And if I remember correctly, the normal range that a refrigerator is going to function properly for ambient temperature is going to be around 80 to 85 degrees. So from what I'm seeing, it looks like the ambient temperature is just too warm, and the refrigerator is just not able to keep cold enough for it to produce ice. So once the ambient temperature goes down around the refrigerator and the refrigerator starts to cycle on and off normally at the correct temperatures, it'll start making ice. And our normal production, give and take how much the door gets opened, which then creates warmer temperatures in the freezer, will depend on our ice production. But normally about every hour and a half it's going to drop 8 cubes. This is an 8 cube tray here. So in this case, we just have to get the ambient temperature back down to normal and get our temperatures inside the refrigerator back down to normal so that we have proper ice production. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.